This size, how much is price?
$70.
Oh my god!
Let's do it with popcorn cellar maker.
Awesome!
Aariz! Yes, you wrote your name! That's awesome!
I'm going to smash it.
Okay.
Awesome!
Popcorn. We're going to make popcorn this one. This is. Look at all of this. I'm putting it up.
Okay.
I'm going to dip it. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12! The 12 packet? Yeah!
Awesome!
So do you have popcorn?
Yes.
Yes. So how you sell the popcorn?
You sell it when you just had money. You buy it.
Oh, so how much is for a small?
A small package.
Yeah, so a small cup this size. How much is price?
$70.
Oh my god! $1 is so cheap. Okay, give me one. I want to pay $1. Give me one popcorn.
1,000 hot popcorn.
Okay. Oh, you can give me that one. Oh, this one? This one? Oh my god, so awesome!
Awesome!
Oh, it's hot? Oh, should I do like that? Oh no! It's awesome! Oh my god, it's tasty, it means tasty. It's so tasty.
It's like popcorn.
Oh. So do you have something else too?
Oh yeah?
What?
Are you showing?
Do you have ice cream? Other
Yeah.
seller has ice cream.
I have it.
You have it? Oh my god. So what the kind of ice cream do you have?
Mango,
Hmm?
orange, strawberry.
Oh my god, you have the 3 kinds of the ice cream? Okay, give me mango ice cream. And how much the price for mango ice cream?
Only $2.
$2? Okay, okay. I can buy it. I have $2.
Please. second. This one mango ice cream.
Hmm.
What this is it? It's full with strawberry milkshake.
Oh.
Strawberry and mango.
Oh, the mix it? Oh, I like that one too.
What?
Yeah, I like strawberry and mango together.
You want bigger one or small one?
Bigger one, I find.
Okay.
So bigger one has the same price?
Huh?
$2 only?
No, it can be $3.
$3? Okay. $3 also. Okay, I can pay $3. Give me the bigger one ice cream. And ice cream has both mango and strawberry, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I like your shop. I like your shop. You are selling so many things.
I know.
And other shop does not have so good items. But you have so many good items. Popcorn, ice cream, so many things you have.
I have something awesome food
What?
down here.
Oh my god, here too?
This one?
Oh, what is this?
Chocolate roasted popcorn.
Roasted popcorn? Oh my god, I need that one too. Okay, so first give me the ice cream. I will buy later. I have so many money. I can buy so many things. Is it going to be awesome ice cream?
It can be sprinkles.
With sprinkles and
And decoration. I will show you next time when I just finish this. Do you want the red one or the blue one?
Red one.
Okay.
Awesome!
Yeah. Oh my god, it's awesome ice cream. Thank you very much.
You want to steer it down here?
Oh, so what is that?
Roasted popcorn.
Roasted popcorn? Oh, okay. So how much the price for that?
$1.
$1 is so cheap. Okay, give me $1. I can buy all. This is full for $1.
Yeah.
Maybe you forgot. Maybe the $10.
Wait a second. Wait a second. It's not $1. It's $50.
$15? Oh my God! It means so expensive.
I know. Where's $50?
$15? Okay, I can pay $15. Give me that one. I have.
Wait a second. Now it's 3. What is this? Now it's 3 number.
Oh, $6.95. Okay, so I can pay this one and ice cream $10.
It can be free.
Oh my God! Is it free? Is it free? Popcorn, roasted popcorn free? Okay. I can pay. I can give you $10 for this.
$10?
Yes. This is for keep it the chain. Okay. Thank you very much. I got roasted popcorn. So good roasted popcorn, and I got so awesome ice cream.
I have something special for you.
What else you have?
Thank you for watching my videos, and next time, bye-bye.